Having your Hyundai's interior lights stuck on is a common issue, especially in models from 2010 to 2023. The most frequent cause is a faulty door jamb switch. These switches tell the car when the doors are open or closed. Corrosion, debris, or misalignment can prevent them from working correctly, making the car think a door is always open. This leads to the lights staying on and causing battery drain. Another potential cause is wiring harness damage, where exposed or damaged wires create a short circuit that keeps the lights illuminated. Less common, but still possible, are body control module malfunctions. The BCM controls the lights, and software glitches can sometimes cause them to stay on. These are the primary reasons your lights might be persistently illuminated, leading to battery drain and inconvenience. Note that Hyundai has issued recalls for many instances and fixed the issue in newer models through better software. Start by checking the door jamb switches. Clean them thoroughly and ensure they're properly aligned. Next, inspect the wiring around the door frame and BCM for any visible damage. You can try resetting the BCM by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This might clear any software glitches. Also, be sure to check your fuses for any damage. If these simple steps don't work, the faulty parts, such as the switches or BCM, may need to be replaced. Many owners are finding luck fixing the issue themselves with online tutorials. For advanced diagnostics, Hyundai's BlueLink app offers remote troubleshooting for connected vehicles. If you are not comfortable doing these fixes, seek assistance from a professional repair, especially to avoid voiding any warranties. Note that software updates for select models exist and integrate smart diagnostics to auto-detect and reset stuck lights.